Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting Unity to Plastic SCM so version control manages your project changes. First, install the Plastic client and the Unity plugin, then sign into your Plastic cloud or your server account. Once signed in, create or link a repository and set the workspace root to your Unity project folder so file paths match. Make sure Unity's version control setting is set to Plastic SCM in project settings. This ties Unity's asset pipeline into Plastic immediately, preparing you to check in your first changes. You now move into everyday workflow: commit, branch, and merge. Use the pending changes view to stage and check in focus changes with clear comments. This keeps history readable. When starting a new feature, create a branch so you can work in isolation. Switch branches or workspaces in the Plastic GUI to avoid mixing contexts. Once you merge, handle conflicts using Plastic's Unity-aware merge tools so scene and meta files merge safely. Resolve conflicts by testing in the editor before finalizing the merge to prevent asset corruption. You finish by syncing and securing your work so the team stays aligned. Push your changes to the Plastic server or cloud and ask teammates to pull. Make it a habit to sync before major merges. Tag releases or create labels for builds and keep workspace backups, which simplifies rollbacks if needed. If a scene or metadata becomes corrupted, revert to the last working change set and open it locally to confirm stability. Once stable, reapply only necessary edits to avoid reintroducing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.